Hey guys, Norm Geisler here. I'm here to talk about my truck driving days. So, let's cut to the chase, huh? Those truck driving days. It was when I was 30 years old. Um, it was actually the day I died. Um, I was driving a truck one day, a Big Mac, and I crashed into a car. I crashed a car. I crushed the car, as I should say. He, the driver died, and I lost control of the vehicle, and I swerved onto the side of the road and crashed my truck, and I passed away at the scene. So, those are my truck driving days. I did it for 30 years. It wasn't anything interesting until I died. So, yeah. I'll come out of your balls soon, bitch.